Right now, your kidneys are warning you about something that most people don't even consider. These are not only indicators of aging, such as the little lethargy that strikes you at 3 in the afternoon, the puffiness around your eyes when you wake up, or the way your back hurts after spending too much time sitting down. They indicate that GFR is dropping and creatinine is increasing. Researchers at the University of Wollongong showed that 4 morning practices can reduce creatinine levels by 0.43 milligrams per deciliter in just 12 weeks. Although doctors continue to advise you to drink more water and check your salt intake, nobody discusses the 4 morning habits that might bring about this reduction. There is no need to worry about pricey supplements or too intricate medical procedures. These are straightforward morning practices that take less than half an hour to complete, yet they have the potential to protect your kidneys from irreversible damage. Even while you are still in your jammies, the first habit helps your kidneys flush out toxins, which is a significant benefit. Let's start. Habit 1. The morning hydration protocol. The initial habit you make could appear to be almost too easy to implement, yet the changes that take place inside your body will surprise you nonetheless. In this context, I am referring to the morning hydration routine procedure. 8 to 16 ounces of room temperature water should be consumed within 15 minutes of opening your eyes. This should be done before anything else comes into contact with your lips. Do not drink any beverages, including coffee or juice, or utilize your phone. Instead, drink only water to fill your empty stomach. A comprehensive systematic review was carried out by the University of Wollongong, which involved the examination of 68 randomized controlled trials that involved more than 2,000 people. Within a period of 12 weeks, they made a discovery that the majority of medical professionals never disclosed to their patients. A straightforward practice of drinking water reduced the levels of creatinine by an average of 0.43 milligrams per deciliter. The function of your kidneys is similar to that of highly developed filters that are always in use. By eliminating waste items that would be harmful to your health if they remained in your body, they process around 120 milliliters of blood per minute. Because you have not consumed any fluids during the 8 hours of sleep, your blood becomes more concentrated and thicker. Your kidneys are like an overworked engine that is straining to drive heavy oil through narrow tubes when you wake up dehydrated. They struggle to do so. Instead of being eliminated by the urine, the waste products, which include creatinine, become lodged throughout your entire body. The water you drink in the morning functions as a flush valve, rapidly reducing the volume of blood in your body and providing your kidneys with the fluid they so badly want. Room temperature water holds significant importance. Cold water shocks your digestive tract and diverts blood from your kidneys to your stomach, where it is warmed. Before your body can make use of hot water, it must first be cooled down, which needs energy. Water that is at room temperature is absorbed instantly and begins to function within minutes. In practically no time at all, your kidneys will start generating urine that is cleaner and clearer. As the night progressed, the poisons that had accumulated in your body began to leave. As circulation improves, you will notice a minor decrease in your blood pressure. As optimum hydration reaches every cell in your body, even your brain will become more alert. Habit 2. Gentle movement and yoga. This particular movement pattern that your body requires to function properly is something that you can perform right in your living room, wearing whatever you find most comfortable. In this article, I will discuss yoga and gentle movement. It just takes 10 to 30 minutes of slow, controlled stretches and postures to get your circulation flowing to areas that it hasn't been able to reach until the morning. After sleeping down for 8 hours, your kidneys are in a position where they are tucked down in your back, and they are virtually famished for new blood circulation. Imagine that your kidneys are 2 little sponges that, to function effectively, require a light application of pressure. During sleep, gravity is no longer able to assist in the circulation of blood through these important organs. They slow down and enter a state of near dormancy. On the other hand, mild movement functions as a pump, channeling oxygen-rich blood through each and every little filtering unit that is located within your kidneys. People who included regular physical activity in their routines had an 18% decreased chance of getting chronic kidney disease, according to the findings of a comprehensive meta-analysis that included 78 separate studies. This finding will transform the way you think about exercising in the morning. This means that roughly 1 in 5 people may prevent renal issues if they just move their bodies on a regular basis. If you want to improve the health of your kidneys, do the cat-cow stretch. You begin by getting down on your hands and knees, then gently arching your back up like a raging cat, and allowing it to drop down like a cow. This gentle movement of the spine rubs your kidneys from the outside, while simultaneously increasing blood flow from the inside for your kidneys. As the rigidity melts away, you can practically feel it melting away. It just takes a few minutes for your kidneys to react to activity. There is a decrease in blood pressure as circulation improves. The filtering units that are located inside your kidneys and are referred to as nephrons begin to function more effectively. Overnight, waste items that were lodged in your bladder begin to move toward your bladder in order to be eliminated. There is no need for you to raise a sweat or end up feeling sore the following day. At this point, neither gaining muscle nor decreasing weight is the focus. The purpose of this exercise is to stimulate your kidneys and provide them with the circulation they require so that they can continue to protect you for many years to come. Imagine massaging your vital organs first thing in the morning. On the other hand, moving your body is only one part of the problem. There are particular nutrients that your kidneys require first thing in the morning to boost their GFR and heal themselves. Even more than the majority of people think, the timing of when you consume these nutrients is vital. Habit 3. Kidney-friendly breakfast design. The time I mentioned becomes very important once you know what happens to your kidneys in the first hour after waking. Our attention now turns to the kidney-friendly breakfast design you have created. When you eat within the first 60 minutes of waking in the morning, the foods you pick either flood your system with substances that are harmful to your kidneys or supply the exact nutrients that your filtering organs require to heal themselves from the job they did the day before. The majority of individuals grab whatever is most handy for them, which may include a muffin, a bagel with cream cheese, sugary cereal, and coffee. Your blood sugar will jump as a result of these decisions, and your kidneys will have to work overtime to digest the additional glucose, while also dealing with the inflammatory substances that are produced by processed meals. It is imperative that you provide your kidneys with antioxidants to combat the oxidative stress that accumulates over the course of the night. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries include anthocyanins, which possess the ability to serve as little protectors for the kidney cells in your body. In addition to maintaining steady blood sugar levels, a half cup of mixed berries has more beneficial chemicals than the majority of vegetables. Understanding the metabolization of proteins makes egg whites a valuable ally for your kidneys. Your body breaks down protein, producing waste products that your kidneys are responsible for filtering out. Whole eggs have an excessive amount of phosphorus, which is difficult for kidneys that are under stress to digest. On the other hand, egg whites provide you with protein that is clean and of excellent quality, without overpowering your filtration system. Your kidneys will become your adversary when they are unable to control fluid balance in an appropriate manner. The seemingly harmless whole grain bread may conceal 200 milligrams of salt. The entire amount of your breakfast should never exceed 300 milligrams, which means that you should study every label and select items that are fresh and unprocessed whenever it is feasible to do so. But even with the perfect breakfast, your kidneys won't be safe if you stay in the stress cycle most Americans face daily. Habit 4. Strategic caffeine reduction. The majority of individuals go for coffee within minutes of waking up, not realizing that they are straining their kidneys to absorb caffeine at a time when these organs are already working overtime to eliminate waste from the previous night. Caffeine possesses a diuretic effect, meaning that it draws valuable water out of your body at precisely the moment when your kidneys require the most hydration. The stimulating effects of caffeine on your cardiovascular system need your filtering organs to work harder to concentrate your urine. This is because caffeine causes your heart to beat faster. There is a momentary increase in blood pressure, which places additional stress on the fragile blood arteries that are located within your kidneys. Coffee is also known to contain substances that have the potential to aggravate your digestive system and stimulate the production of cortisol. Do you remember how the chemicals that cause stress can harm your kidneys? The same internal stress reaction that you just tried to quiet down with your breathing method is triggered by the rush of coffee that you experience in the morning. Research indicates that individuals who take excessive amounts of coffee on a daily basis place unneeded stress on their cardiovascular system, which has a direct influence on the function of their kidneys. To function properly, your filtering organs require a continuous and moderate flow of blood, not the roller coaster that coffee gives you. Making this transition gradually is the most important thing. Try substituting 1 cup of herbal tea for 1 cup of coffee this week, and then 2 cups of herbal tea the following week. Your kidneys will be grateful for your actions, as they will no longer have to fight dehydrating substances and will instead get mild help. It's possible that your energy levels could drop significantly for a few days, but then your natural energy will return without the need for any artificial stimulation. This is an incredible thing that happens. If your kidneys are not processing substances that are not essential, they will be able to concentrate on their primary function, which is to filter waste. Consider the possibility of providing your organs that are working the hardest with a respite from chemicals that they do not require, while simultaneously providing them with the nutrients that they want. This procedure is not the end of your path toward better health. The first drink of healing water you take tomorrow morning marks the beginning of this process. During the times when you were unable to provide assistance to your kidneys, they kept you alive. With this knowledge, you can now help your kidneys thrive. It will begin tomorrow. Taking action right now will be something that you will be grateful for in the future. When we meet again in the next video, we will discuss further natural methods that may be used to repair your body.